just want to show you guys, quick update on the Mustang. We have just climbed over 10,000 miles boosted. So we've been running boost for 10,000 miles already since what, July? So July till, what is it? Almost Halloween. So 10,000 miles being boosted and doing the same old things that we've been doing on the channel. Really no hiccups other than the belt issues. If you guys have been part of the channel, we did have a lot of belt snapping issues with RPM, with the Gates RPM belt, the other black belts, Dayco's. And I know you guys are saying like, oh my God, thank goodness you switched to green. You're so dumb. So if you guys remember, this would be a stock, the tensioner pulley. And this is the ARS tensioner pulley that we had on the Mustang originally. This is like a $600 upgrade. Yeah, don't ask me why, but look how big that spring is. It was straight up snapping belts like crazy. Yeah, I mean, they offered it in the kit and I got it. I don't know why. I just got it, but yeah, you can't see the spring in here, but I promise you, like, I had a 3-foot breaker bar on there and holding, on this left side, and I still couldn't like pull this apart and get the belt on. It was that crazy. But so we switched over to the stock tensioner. Don't ask me why I have another stock tensioner. Anyways, so we switched over to stock tensioner, and it's literally been great ever since. We ran the cheap doo-doo O'Reilly belt, the black belt, since what, July and till now. So had a lot of runs in that black belt. And then only recently, for the past 2 weeks, have we been on the green belt. No issues there. But I did get a good deal on this griptec. It's still a 3.4. So here you guys go. We're on a 3.4. Well, going to be on a 3.4. This is a 3.48.
A few moments later.
So let's get in the build, you guys. Vortech V3, 3.4 griptec pulley, green belt. We got a fore fuel system, obviously 1000cc FIC injectors. Pretty simple headers. I don't know if you guys will see headers, but we do have headers in there, and then full exhaust. So super simple build, you guys. But like, how in the world can this little blower make 1,000 horsepower, right? Don't you need twin turbos? Don't you need to go turbo to make 1,000 horsepower? Like, that's not a Whipple. Like, you can't make 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you can, you guys. In terms of horsepower and wheel horsepower, we have finally cracked 1,000 horsepower, you guys. So let's get in the video. Let's see the dyno. I know what everyone's going to say. You didn't show 1,000. You didn't make 1,000. So if you do the math, 844 wheel horsepower, pretty much 1,000 horsepower, you guys. So 844 to the wheels is pretty much 1,000 horsepower, you guys. And pretty happy to say the Mustang definitely flies now. So we are cooking some steam. We got one more Fly High X event, you guys, the Halloween event. If you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you've already seen some of the runs, but we will get in the runs right after this video. But I just want to showcase and show you guys that we make 1,000 horsepower now, 844 to the wheels, and 620 some wheel torque. But not hiding anything, you guys. This line right here that everyone keeps saying is nitrous is not nitrous. But as you can see, the braided line is right there. So that's what this is, and that's what everyone keeps saying is my nitrous line. It's just a boost line, you know what I mean? And so we can get all the good sauce. Those are my fuel, regulators from, they're not nitrous lines. This isn't nitrous. This is all fuel line stuff. Going back to this side, same deal. Fuel. Okay, I'm not hiding any nitrous lines. Nothing in the back. We don't have nitrous back here. I don't have any nitrous plates, nothing. Throttle body, nothing. You guys just trust me that this Vortech is a very, very good unit. It's really good, you guys. I am very, very amazed that on a 3.4 griptec, we've cranked out 844 to the wheels. That's not bad on E85. Not bad at all. So on my last pulley here, the 3.4 vortech, 348 vortech 6 rip here. This is what I installed in the kit originally. That's what I've always had on the car. I was never on a 3.6. I was never on anything else except this. And then we have one more event at the airport, and I'm going to run the 3.4 pulley. So going from 348 pulley base tune to a 3.4 griptec pulley, we picked up literally 100 to the wheels, you guys. That's a pretty significant gain for only $100. I mean, I picked up that pulley from a friend for $100, and the $100 gained 100 horsepower. So not a bad mod in my opinion. Yes, we can go down to a 333 pulley, probably make 1,000 wheel, honestly, because if doing the math here, 0.08 difference was already almost like 100 horsepower to the wheels. 3.3 should definitely crack me into the 1,000 wheel range, but we are overspinning the blower quite a bit. It's a true champ, but that's why most guys just go to a bigger head unit. You know, this is like the smallest unit they offer out there, you guys, and I would like to go to an ESS that sits over here. Way better unit. A couple guys run it, and it's super solid, but we clap them up. On a 40 roll. This car is absolutely amazing for a 40 roll machine right here, you guys. You don't need twin turbos, nothing else. Like, just get the Vortech or Paxton, get this little unit, 40 roll king all day. And there you go, you guys. That's how we make 1,000 horsepower on this Mustang. And from now on, I might just be saying 1,000 horsepower instead of wheel horsepower, because no one understands wheel horsepower. For probably 80% of the car enthusiasts out there, everyone's so focused on horsepower that I think we might just dumb it down for all the other viewers, the other 90% viewers out there that don't understand horsepower and wheel horsepower. We're just going to dumb it down and just say, we make 1,000 horsepower, because that's what everyone thinks this Mustang makes anyways, right? So we're just going to say it, and I really wish I could say I was on nitrous, you know, like we are on nitrous. Nope, not on nitrous, so not yet at least, but we are going to retire the 348 pulley, and it is for sale. It's bundled up really nicely for sale, you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Quick little video, a little update. You know, I just went in the shop real quick, swapped pulleys, re-dynoed, retuned, cranked out another extra 100 horsepower. So we're ready to rock and roll for the last airport event of the year. We'll see ya. Let's go. So after I post the last airport event where I run all those Corvettes and CTSV, if you guys watch my TikTok and Instagram, you've already seen the runs, but for YouTube purposes, like, I'm super behind on the timeline. So after we finish all the airport stuff, we will actually go back in time, back to the 348 pulley. So back in time, you guys, like half a year ago. It's literally, the event's already coming up already for 2023. I just haven't posted them up for 2022 yet. But we're going to go back in time, and we got like 100-some races to post at Brainerd. So those runs were all on this pulley, not this belt, but this pulley, and we made 750 with that setup. So I hope you guys keep that in mind. I'm going to keep saying it every time that this is way back in time, and we are on the 750 tune and setup, not the 844 setup. So, see ya.